Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to check result on chords of concentric circles. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we will be preparing now. Chords of concentric circle. In two concentric circles, the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. We will take two concentric circles. We will draw a chord of the larger circle. It touches the smaller circle at capital A. It is bisected. Therefore, AD is equal to AC is always equal. And we can ask the children to come and pull and push it so that they can move it also. And then they can check it whether it is always equal. Now here we have made these two concentric circles maybe the same. Therefore at a particular spot they are totally equal. The child can understand now. Okay, well, let us try to make this dynamic worksheet from scratch. Well, for that I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet, geometry view, and in the option I have taken rounding off to one decimal place and labeling of new points only. As usual, let us start with the headings. Chords of concentric circles. Heading is always important. Okay, now let us try to tell the statement of this result. If two concentric circles are there, okay, now put two concentric circles. Now child can understand the result. We have to draw two concentric circles now. For that, let us go for circle with center and radius. We'll put it and we'll have the radius as 3. We will change it as O for our convenience. Is it okay? Again go for this circle with center and radius. Again touch it. Now you go and have the radius as 5. Good. Therefore now you got two concentric circles now. I have just taken only two concentric circles for my convenience. Let me put it over here. Now let me take a point on this object A. Now from this, let me try to draw two tangents now to the smaller circle. From here I will draw two tangents now. So two tangents are drawn. Okay, now I will go for the point of contact. Point intersect of this and this. Again this and this. Good. I think I got CBD now. A can be moved, but this cannot be moved. You see, this cannot be moved now. You should be a bit careful. Suppose if A is there, you see, it can be only moved like this. Is it okay now? Okay. Now I will draw one segment now. I will draw the segment A and going to this D. Well, now I can remove this line now. Now show the object and I can show the object. Okay, I think C also can be shown. Anyway, whatever the way it is, A, B, D is there. Now you can have this C also. It is left. Now let us try to draw one perpendicular. We'll go for this perpendicular line to this through this. Okay. Let me join this segment now because I want the segment. I have to show that it bisects. Okay, this segment. Okay. Now let me show the object now. Okay, now let us try to explain to the children what is what. Therefore, in the ABC you can have, now the child should know that chord of the larger circle. Therefore, AD is the chord of the larger circle. Good. Okay. Then I can go for the next one. AD touches smaller circle at B. Therefore, it should be bisected. Therefore, it should be bisected there. Or it should know that it should be bisected there. Okay, AD touched. Okay, AD touches the smaller circle at B. Now, what do you have to prove? That AB is equal to BD. AB is equal to BD. For that, go to the segment. Go for the segment AB. Go for the segment BD. Okay. Now you see so many segments are there. To have a clarity, go to this graphing. Here K and K. Therefore, here right click and then object property. It's always better to have avoid confusion. Here you can show its value. Again this L also you can go to the object property. Then once again you can ask it to show its value. Showing the value is available in the algebra also, but you have to be very careful while you are selecting it. Escape. Then I will come back, and then this is 4 and 4. Well, therefore I am coming back to geometry. So the child should know that what are the two parts of it, where you have to write here AB is equal to BD, because it is bisected. I think just now you got that it is K or L, whatever you want. Both are on at the same there. Okay, now you can move this circle and then put it in a comfortable place. Escape. You can move this and put it in a comfortable place, and you can move this also, and then you can move this and then put it in a comfortable place. Okay, well, now this is the way the child can understand what is actually the concentric circle and what the chord of the larger circle, when it touches the smaller circle, what happens to it. So the child will understand that always the length is 4 4 4. Everywhere you can rotate it, and any place you can have is always 4 and 4. Okay, thank you. Let us learn to lead.